American dream. American dream. It's a kind of philosophy that with hard work, courage and determination, anyone can prosper and achieve success. And this success often is referred with materialistic success, that is materialistic gain. In simple words, if you lead a happy and successful life, it is called an American dream. So American dream is to lead a life of success. Let us see this in the examples. The first one, the American dream is not easy to achieve. You need to work really hard. It's of course true. If you really want to be successful in your life, you need to work hard. So the American dream is not very easy to achieve. Success is not very easy to achieve. That's it. The second one, the young couple from India living the American dream. So the young couple is living a successful life. So happy, successful life. The third one, after 10 years of hard work, we finally have a big house and successful careers. We are living the American dream. So now we are successful. It doesn't happen in one day. It happened after 10 years. It involved 10 years of hard work. And now we are leading a successful life. That is an American dream. The fourth one, with good jobs, a nice house, 2 children and plenty of money, they believed they were living the American dream. So they thought all these things are required to be successful, and they got, and that's the reason they are leading the American dream. They are living the American dream. They are living the successful life. The fifth one, Raju is living the American dream. He has the wife, the 2 kids and the house with a garden. So of course, if you have all of them, it's a success, right? And that's the reason that is called living the American dream. So this idiom was first used by James Truslow Adams in his book Epic of America. It was written in 1931. In it, he wrote, "The American dream is that dream of a land in which life should be better and richer and fuller for everyone, with opportunity for each according to their ability or achievement." So American dream is nothing but leading a successful life. Often it is referred to a materialistic gain.